everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome to this Strumming for Beginners series for the ukulele. Today we're going to be working on strumming more quarter notes and eighth notes and also learn a very important strumming pattern. So make sure your ukulele is in tune before you watch this video. In the last video we worked on strumming quarter notes and eighth notes. Today we're going to start with the same idea, but then we're going to expand out into a more complicated strumming pattern. So the first strumming pattern we're going to do sounds like this. What we're going to do is we're going to play an A minor chord, and we're going to play this rhythm. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 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 You can also think of that as strum directions like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down. 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 Yeah, so if we look here, we can see that our strum directions are written above the rhythms. So we see down, down, up, down, up, down. And really, this strumming pattern will work good on like any chord that you know. So if you want to play it on C or G. You can kind of make up your own songs if you know how to play a strumming pattern with some chords. Let's practice playing this to the beat. 1, 2, ready, go. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Here's the next strumming pattern. It sounds like this. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 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 Or down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. So this strumming pattern is very useful for a lot of styles, folk, country, rock, pop, you name it. Singer-songwriter. So the confusing thing with this is that we have to do 2 ups in a row, and that's because we see these notes here are tied together. What a tie does is it connects 2 rhythms or strums together. So we play the first one, and then we just hold over for the second one. So in this case, what we see is down, down, up, up, down. There's a tie on beat 3, and that's why you don't see the numbers written in the tablature. So you still see the strum direction for down written where that tie is, and it's in parentheses. So the reason that's helpful is because you can still strum down, but you miss the strings, kind of like this. Miss. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, 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 up, miss, up, down. So this strumming pattern is interesting because for some people, they learn it immediately. It just comes to them. And then for others, they have to work rather hard at it. I'm not sure why that is, but if you are struggling with it, I would just say keep doing it. And the benefits are great because you can use it across the board for so many different styles of music. Let's try playing along with the beat. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, very good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna play 2 patterns or 2 measures on A minor and then 2 patterns on F. It'll sound like this. All right, so to switch from A minor to F, it's very simple because we're just adding a finger here. Let's try playing along with that beat. 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome. Let's try one more here. We're gonna do the same strumming pattern, 2 patterns on A minor and 2 patterns on G. It'll sound like this. Let's play with the beat. 1, 2, 3, go. Very nice. Now, if you're playing along with this, this might happen to you. You play A minor, and then when you try to go to G, you're like, wait, hold on, stop. If that's the case, then you need to just practice switching between the chords over and over again like this. Thanks for following along today, guys. I really appreciate it, and I hope that it was helpful for your learning. Please check out the next video in this series because there is so much more to learn.